name's Sam. I work in a technology company and I live here in Newport Beach. I was dealing with severe pains in my back, so I had a lot of back issues. Growing up, had been diagnosed with ankylosing spondylitis when I was younger, so always trying to keep that under control. And I started to develop some upper back issues that were restricting a lot of my everyday movement and also impacting my ability to do certain workouts that I was accustomed to doing. After trying everything else, I just kind of threw my hands up and decided, okay, I need to go to somebody who knows the science behind what's actually happening to me. And I needed somebody who was going to invest their time into helping me figure out exactly what I was doing every day that may have been contributing to what was happening to me in my back. Dr. Soni sat down and looked at every function of my body. I came with a back issue, but soon discovered that there were other interconnected pieces that could have been contributing to the issues I was having in my back. He taught me a lot about how the whole body is connected. Now, after a few months of coming here, I am sleeping better. I'm actually able to sit for longer periods of time, so that alone has enabled me to be more productive at work. I almost feel like my body's been brought down 10 years or back 10 years. Just the thought in my head that, oh, I'm just getting older, things are gonna build up and get more tense, when in reality that's not actually the case. I just needed to find the right doctor. If you're dealing with any sort of upper back pain issues, like myself, or any issues at all with the body, highly recommend coming for an assessment and figuring out exactly what's going wrong. He was the first one to tell me exactly what the issues were, and we were able together find a resolve for it.